Turning on the camera. It's on? Let's go. Let's do it? Yeah. Con las motos. That looks nice. Let's go, Bobby. Little bumpy. Little rocky. Pretty nice lake. That's good to just stop the bike and get in, huh? There you go. The left is sounding good today. Nice. Ah, this is nice. Looks relaxing. It is a little rocky, I tell you that. Here we are, back again. Woo! That's exciting. Need to cut this grass. Oh, power, power. Got a two-stroker, dude. Yeah. I definitely need to cut the grass. It's way too long. thing about riding with two-stroke, guys. If you're on a 4-stroke, riding with a 2-stroke, I have a hard time keeping up, I'll tell you that. Really nice over here. Yeah. Going a little too fast, buddy. We're already on 4th. Right down. Well, hey, looks like a nice fishing spot. Nice fish all over that spot over there. By the way, guys, don't judge the gloves. I'm gonna cheese them. These aren't even bike gloves. Crazy. They work. Still, some type of protection. Better something than nothing, huh? They have bathrooms. Look at that. Should I just climb those rocks? Should I? Nah, I shouldn't. Never mind. I'll leave that for another day. It's too easy right now. Oh, hey, little buddy. We got concrete roads as trails here. Bit of buffer. It's funny, this little CRF holds up pretty well, considering the fact that it's a 4-stroke, no radiator, no nothing. Holds up pretty well. Not as fast as these 2-strokes. I've rode this one before. It's pretty fast. Then we we have the new generation, which is these. Pretty fast. Torquey too, to be electric, it's crazy. The Brookback thing? Oh shoot, yeah, oh shit, good. Nice. Yeah, you could fall, you know, that shit could have got in the wheel.
Yeah, I mean, it was like hitting like the top of it, so it was like bouncing around.
Oh, that's crazy. Okay. Well, that's a safe. That could have ended worse. Guys, make sure whenever you go out riding, you guys have the proper gear on. Make sure everything is set, you know, not touching the wheels or anything. Gotta be extremely careful. Let's see what happened. Oh, that's nice. Look at this. Wow. Beautiful. Have to fix that later on.